What if I told you to do this one exercise every morning to stay fit, lose fat, build strength to do daily activities, and get rid of lower back problems? You will be excited and more motivated to work out, right? The best part is you just have to spend 10 minutes every day. That's it.
Just bring it, bitch!
Every day you have to lift something or get up from a seated position. Almost all cardio activities, daily activities, and sports involve the lower body. By having a more powerful system, you can run and play longer, harder, and faster. Being able to do all these activities is called being fit, and there is one exercise that can help you with achieving that fitness and even more health benefits. It's the deep squat. People who squat are stronger in their activities of daily living and more likely to stay active as they get older. Deep squats are very popular with bodybuilders and professional athletes. It creates an anabolic environment, promotes body-wide muscle building, improving muscle mass. If performed correctly, they improve the muscle coordination, help burn excess fat, and build the strength and size of the lower body. Sure, it's great to do them with weight, but you can do bodyweight squats anywhere, anytime, so you can stay in shape at home or on a vacation. Thus, making it preferable to push-ups, for which you need pre-existing upper body strength, and pull-ups, for also which you need upper body strength as well as equipment. To do deep squats perfectly, open your legs wide to the sides. Your toes should be pointing outward as well. Bend your knees as low as you can so that your butt is as close as possible to your heels. Keep your spine straight, do not hunch it. Hold that position for 2 to 3 seconds and get back up. Repeat the same movement for 12 to 15 times and do 3 to 4 sets. So doing this will give you the muscle building and joint health benefits to stay fit. But there is an advanced ancient squat version which has numerous health benefits apart from muscle building. Hip flexibility is a common issue for many people today. Sitting for long periods can shorten and tighten the inner thighs, groin, and hip flexors, which can cause poor posture and back pain. Garland pose or Malasana is the ancient deep squat version. It is a hip opening yoga posture that helps to lengthen and open the hips, creating more mobility for all your daily activities. So it's important to keep this part of our body limber, open, and lubricated. Anytime you feel fearful, tense, emotionally constipated, or feeling the urge to control yourselves or others, practice Garland pose. Considering that, let's learn how to squat again, step by step. Begin by standing at the top of your mat in mountain pose or Tadasana with your arms at your sides. Step your feet about slightly greater than your shoulder width. Bend your knees and lower your hips coming into a squat. Separate your thighs so they are slightly wider than your torso, but keep your feet as close together as possible. Drop your torso slightly forward and bring your upper arms to the inside of your knees. Press your elbows along the inside of your knees in prayer position, also called as Anjali Mudra. Work toward bringing your hands to your heart center and your forearms parallel to the floor. Lift and lengthen your torso, keeping your spine straight and shoulders relaxed. Shift your weight slightly into your heels. Hold for 5 breaths. To release, bring your fingertips to the floor, then slowly straighten your legs and come into standing forward fold, otherwise called as Uttanasana. Practice this pose every day for at least 10 minutes to stay fit and reap many more health benefits. Garland pose also helps to strengthen lower back, boost metabolism, stoke the digestive fire, and alleviate constipation. It tones the abdominal muscles and improves the function of the colon to help with excretion. This pose also increases circulation and blood flow in the pelvis, which can help regulate sexual energy. Malasana improves balance, concentration, and focus. Malasana is particularly beneficial for women who are pregnant as it can later aid in childbirth. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also share it with people to whom it will be helpful. If you wish to support me, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button to get notified whenever a video is posted. Make sure to check out my other videos to lead a healthy life. Thanks a lot for watching the video.